Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing Apple Cash so purchases flow smoothly. Open Wallet and enable Apple Cash, then verify your identity when prompted. This unlocks higher limits. Next, add funds from a linked debit card or accept a payment into Apple Cash so a balance exists. Make sure the iPhone or iPad runs the same Apple ID as your game account and that Face ID or Touch ID is set up. Once done, you're ready to connect it to in-game purchases. Now you link Apple Cash to the actual purchase flow. In the App Store and inside the game store, pick Apple Pay or payment settings and set Apple Pay as your default. When you initiate a purchase, the Apple Pay sheet appears. Tap the payment method row and choose Apple Cash from the list. Confirm the billing address if asked, then authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. This ensures the game charges your Apple Cash balance rather than a card. Finish by completing the purchase and verifying the transaction. After you authenticate, wait for the confirmation screen, then check the receipt in Messages or Wallet to confirm the item was delivered. If the payment fails, make sure your Apple Cash balance covers the amount, that your device is signed into the correct Apple ID, and that you have a stable network connection. If problems continue, contact Apple support for Apple Cash issues or the game developer for delivery or entitlement problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.